Good day, everyone. I am Rosemary Salvador, and today I will be presenting a very interesting study titled Effects of Strength Training and the Training in Children. This topic is important because many people wonder if children should even lift weights or do strength exercises. We are going to look at how kids' bodies react when they start training, and more importantly, what happens to their progress when they stop. Let's start with the basics of the study. The researchers divided into two parts. First, they gave the children 8 weeks of exercise. This was the work pace. They wanted to see how much stronger the kids could get in just 2 months. After that, they did something interesting. They told the kids to stop exercising completely for another 8 weeks. We call this the rest phase or the training. Think of it like this. If you spend all summer practicing a video game and you get really good at it, but then you don't play for 2 whole months, do you still have those high scores? This study wanted to see if muscles work the same way as our skills. Do we keep our strength or does it just disappear when we hit the couch? Now, let's talk about the participants in this research. There were 24 boys and girls, all aged 7 to 12 years old. This is very important age because kids are growing fast at this age. I want to talk about safety because that is the number one question parents ask. In this study, the kids only exercise twice a week. This is important because kids need plenty of time to play, sleep, and do homework. Also, they use safe child-size equipment. They were small machines made just for kids because the machines fit their bodies perfectly. The kids could exercise safely without any risk of getting hurt. This proves that with the right tools, strength training is for everyone, not just grown-up. Now, let's look at the amazing result from the first 8 weeks. The children's average strength increased by 47%. Let's think about that for a second. If a child could lift 10 kilos at the start, by the end of just 2 months, they could lift almost 15 kilos. Why does this happen so fast? It's because when kids exercise, their brain starts talking to their muscles much better. Their bodies become more coordinated and efficient. It's like upgrading the engine in a car. Even if a car looks the same on the outside, it is much more powerful on the inside. This shows that kids are incredibly strong and capable if we just give them the right program to follow. But we also found a big problem. We found that children quickly lose their strength once they stop exercising. This is the use it or lose it rule. You see, the body is very smart. If you are using your muscles to lift things every week, your body stays strong to help you. But the moment you stop and spend your time just sitting or lying down, your body thinks, I don't need these strong muscles anymore, and it starts to let that strength go. It's like a battery that slowly drains if you don't keep it plugged in. This is why we can't just exercise once and expect to be strong forever. We have to keep at it. Let's look at the actual number of how much strength was lost during the 8-week break. After the kids stopped training, their leg strength dropped by 28%. And it wasn't just their leg. Their upper body strength also dropped by 19%. This tells us that even if kids are still running around and playing outside with friends, it's not the same as doing a real strength program. It shows us that taking a long break, like a 2-month summer vacation and zero exercise, can really set back a child's physical health. Even though strength can be lost, we should still be very happy about the benefits. First, the supervised training results in zero injuries. Let me say that again, zero injuries. This proved that as long as a coach or a teacher is watching, strength training is 100% safe for children. Beyond just having stronger muscles, this training helps kids improve their sport skills. They can jump higher, run faster, and play longer. But the best part is their confidence. When a kid feels strong, they feel like they can take on the world. They aren't afraid to try new sport or join in on a game. It makes them feel proud of what their bodies can do, and that feeling is something very special. To wrap everything up, what is our big lesson today? It is to keep their new strength, children need a regular maintenance program. We cannot think of exercise as a one-time thing. It's not like a school project that you finish and then put away. Strength is a lifestyle. If we want our kids to be healthy, brave, and strong, we need to help them stay active every single week. Consistency is the key. We need to make sure that moving and being strong is a regular part of their lives, not just something they do for a few weeks a year. That ends my report. I hope you learned how important it is for us to support the health and strength of our children. Let's keep them moving. Thank you so much for listening and for your time. Thank you.